Another shot on the Honor Robot phone, because a few hours before the official announcement I have a few leaks that came to me. First of all, we will have a phone that will be surprisingly small, 6.3-inch size display only, and the form factor as well. Just a bit thicker, I think with 9.7 millimeters thick. I'm not even sure if this 9.7 millimeters will cover the very thick camera element that will be definitely Vivo X300 Ultra territory, maybe even thicker, but it will be complete visor, so no issue there with wobbly on a table. We will have a case. This case will come with magnets, so MagSafe, and it will also feature a small little ring that has a mechanism to stand it up, so you have a nice little tripod kind of a possibility in portrait condition, which is quite interesting because, yes, we have this flip-up camera on a gimbal that can then flip up and stand like on a normal tripod, which is quite cool and track you everywhere where you go. Then we have also already confirmation about the camera sensor being used there. Probably will be the same as in the Magic 8 Pro, so 101.28-inch sized sensor in here, which is a bit small if you compare it with a Pocket 3, Pocket 4 or Insta360's Luna. But still, for a smartphone, I think, and on a gimbal, might be enough. Then we will have probably the same 200 megapixel telezoom, 2.6 times magnification, however, so a little bit, I think, worse magnification, 68, 69 millimeters eventually, like this 101.4-inch sized sensor. And we will have a 50 megapixel smaller kind of sensor, I think 2.76 or 67 inch size sensor that will be 12 millimeters, so probably very, very wide. I'm not sure if there will be a wide angle adapter for the gimbal camera like we have it on DJI Pocket, but it will be quite interesting to see how this will turn up. Then interesting enough is also the video application, because they are pulling a Vivo here. Vivo introduces a Blackmagic kind of pro video app, and Honor is doing basically the same in cooperation with ARRI, the big camera manufacturers who builds cameras and whole production sets around movies, and they are building their own professional video application there as well, with all the bells and whistles there. And they feature 25 and 50 frames per second as well in there, as well as various different LUTs. So LUTs are coming back to Honor phones, which I very liked on the older devices like the Magic 6 RSR that I'm recording here now with. So what do you think? Are you excited about the Honor Robot phone? Will this be the camera phone of the year?